Meet Bob and Sarah. Bob and Sarah are proud homeowners. Unfortunately, Bob and Sarah's home is dirty. Bob promised Sarah he would pressure wash the house, but Bob is a very busy man. Sarah became frustrated waiting for Bob to pressure wash the house, so she called Pristine Power Cleaning and received a free quote the very same day. Sarah made a great decision and hired Pristine Power Cleaning, and they completely saved the day. Now Bob and Sarah's home is pristine clean. If your home's exterior could use a cleaning, give us a call. Pristine Power Cleaning. If it needs to be clean, you need Pristine.